Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to give you a quick tour around this beautiful brand new Q5 S-Line what we have in stock. It is a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid and it is finished in the beautiful Ibis White colour. At the front of the car we've got the LED headlights with the LED rear lights and dynamic rear indicators, making sure you have the visibility that you need on every single journey. And as we move down to the side of the vehicle, we've got the superb 19-inch alloy wheels. These are 5 twin-spoke start design and are diamond cut finish. We've got the S-Line badging and the exterior door mirrors. These are electrically folding and also heated just for your convenience. We've got the roof rails, making sure this SUV is a very practical one. And as it is a brand new Audi vehicle, you will receive free as warranted. This includes key cover, MOT cover and roadside assistance too, which really does come in practical. Moving to the rear end of the vehicle now, we've got the privacy glass at the back and the sides of the car, making sure your passengers feel a lot more comfortable and at home in this vehicle. But moving on into the boot on this vehicle, it massively benefits from an incredible size of the boot, just with a charger in there as well, just for your convenience. And one click of the button, the powered operated tailgate will automatically come down for you as well, which is really handy if you do happen to have your hands full. Passengers will be able to travel in the maximum comfort and style in the back. And moving on to the front, we've got the front sport seats finished in leather and Alcantara with the S embossed logo. And as we turn around, we've got the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel, which is just the perfect combination. Moving on, we have got the beautiful MMI navigation system in the centre, which is fully touchscreen. Here is where it houses all your in-car entertainment, all your car settings, including DAB digital radio, telephone and media player, so you'll be able to ring people hands-free, and also the sat-nav, so it'll get you to wherever you need to be. Moving further down, we've got the 3-zone climate control, which is really accessible and really luxurious for you and your passenger. You'll be able to set the rear temperature, change the fan speed, the directions of the fans, and also put your heated seats on. But moving on to the S-Line in steering wheel, to the left hand side we've got the cruise control with the speed limiter, with the automatic headlights and the automatic rain sensors too, making it just that little bit more effortless. So if you would like to know any more information about this stunning vehicle, we've got some incredible offers on, so please don't hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216.